Hello, you're welcome to this video. My name is Shedrach, and on this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fund your wallet on CashAlert successfully without having any problem. This is going to be like an updated video on CashAlert, and you have to pay attention to the end of this video because if you are skipping any part, it may be the vital part you actually needed in the funding process. So stick around on this video as we proceed. Now, what is CashAlert? CashAlert is a bill payment system that enable you to make payments that include airtime purchase, data purchase, cable electricity subscriptions, and exam pins as well. So with the use of CashAlert, you can able to make use of the platform to either for personal consumption or whether still want to use it for business purposes, like you want to start a data reseller business, you can use CashAlert for that. So CashAlert has been there for years and is working perfectly. And you can also make a side income by a kind of referring users to make use of the platform, which of course you can see all the reward system that is available as if you are trying to promote the platform. So, but what we are doing in this video is to show you exactly how to do the funding. So I'm going to just click on login or register. So if you click any of them, like either if you click on register, it's going to take you to a place where you have to register for a new user. But if you want to click on login, it's going to take you to a place where you have to log in. So make use of the link in the description of this video to sign up on the platform. So because making use of the link to sign up on the platform will give you kind of a trainings. I'm going to be giving you further trainings on how to make use of the platforms, and you also support this channel to do more content on CashAlert. So make sure you make use of the link that is on the description of this video to sign up. So I already have an account, just like I said. So I'm going to just log in into one of my accounts that I have in the platform. So what you have to do to log in is just to put your phone number and that of the password, which you define when you're making registration. And then when you are done with that, you just have to click on login. You can see right away, put your phone number and your password. It's very, very simple. So just click on login. So once you log in, it will be tell you that you have logged in successfully. Now, what we want to do right now is to actually learn how to fund our wallet. There is two options we're going to be learning right now. One is the manual funding, and the other one is what's called automated funding. So, but before then, I want to just especially announce on this video that for the meantime, CashAlert is not supporting or as like virtual account, like you have a your own account assigned to you by the system where you can then make payments and the money reflect. You can see this particular notification at the moment of recording this video. You can see that notice there is a delay in auto funding from the bank. Kindly make use of banner options to fund your wallet and send proof of payment to admin via WhatsApp. Click, you can see right away, but I'm going to just explain this right away. What it means is that you can easily fund using manner payment and you'll be get credited in 1 to 20 minutes. But we're going to be looking at other new payment that was added recently on the platform after this incident that happened a few days ago. So when you click on once you are logged into your account, click on add money. So you can see it right away. Just click on this add money. So once you click on this add money, it will take you to the place where you have to fund your account. So here you can see bank, the auto bank is not active right now. You can see it right away, is not active. So don't pay to any accounts that you either maybe have saved it before now. Please do not pay to that, but rather use this method that we are training you on this particular video. So what you have to do, if you are using a mobile device, this is exactly how it's going to look like, that if you are using a mobile to access the platform. So I'm just going to start from the home page so that you can actually see that even if you are using a mobile device, it's going to still be the same thing. So this is how it's going to look like. So you have to just click on add money. So once you click on add money, it's going to take you to the place where you have to, that place where we are before now. But why I wanted to use a mobile device, it just for me to actually carry along all the people that are making use of mobile device. It is almost the same thing. There's no difference between whether you are using a desktop, you are using a mobile device. It's still the same thing. Okay, so I think there is a little network issue. Let's just give it a little time. So please, if you are enjoying this value on this video, do well to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. and we'll make a lot of content in the features as regard to both CashAlert and how to actually make money on telecommunication business. So I think you are having a little network challenge. Okay, it says I should ask this captcha, which is like this. Okay, let me just solve it. Let me just solve it. Okay, it says I should select bicycle. So I'll click on verify. Let me see. Okay, so once you are here, the next thing you have to do is to click on automated bank transfer. Okay, can you see it now? Automated bank transfer. So, but before I click on this, I'm going to show you about manual payment. So with the help of manual, you can actually pay to the bank account. You can see the bank account. That's the first option of funding account. You can pay to a manual funding, which you can see the bank with money point at the moment. Why we say at the moment? Because once you are here, make sure that you click on manual to see the current bank that is displayed. So you can see here, you can see the account, you can see the account number. Then you say, please send proof of your payment alongside your registered phone number to the admin after making any transfer. You'll be funded within 1 to 20 minutes. And please, and very, very important, if you want to use this option of manual, make sure that you are funding from maybe 2,000, 5,000 and above. It's not like maybe you are now coming to like you want to fund like what's it called 100 naira. You now want to make payment with this manual funding. It doesn't make sense to any person. Okay, so if you want to fund with like a higher amount of money, like 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 100,000, or 50,000 or 20,000, please make use of the manual. And it is completely free. You don't pay any charges. There's no charges. And if you make a transfer, make sure you send this to the admin. All you have to do is to contact admin. It will take you automatically to the WhatsApp to contact admin. But if you don't send the proof to admin with your alongside your registered phone number on the platform, there's no way your account will be credited. I believe you're getting it. So make sure you follow this process. That is first way of funding account. The second way of doing that, which is the main thing that why we're doing this video, is through the auto bank transfer. So you can see if you click on automated bank transfer, you see that you can pay with bank transfer, USSD, or bank deposits secured by Paystack. So what you have to do is to, first of all, you need to have two devices. Pay very good attention here. So you shouldn't make mistake and say that, why is this not working? Everything is working here, but you have to follow instructions. So the first thing you have to do is to have two devices, have the one that you want to actually use to fund this, and then the one that you have mobile, where you are going to be paying this amount of money. Why are we saying to have two devices? Because if you generate the funding and then leave the page and go to use another phone, use the same phone to go to your bank app, maybe if you send the money, the system may not recognize it. Okay, let me repeat it. I said use two devices, either a laptop and a phone, or better see two phones. Because if you generate the funding system, which we are going to do right now, you see that as I'm making this video, I have two devices. I have a laptop and I have a cell phone. So I'm actually doing the generating the funding request from the system while I have my phone with my mobile app, my bank app, where I'm going to make a transfer to that particular account, which is going to be generated for me. So people that are going to be using this are people that are, maybe you are funding with 100 naira, 200, 500, 1,000, that kind of stuff. So you can use this option and you need it urgently. Okay, so because you can easily fund, the least you can fund here is 100 naira. Okay, that's the least money you can fund here. So, so I'm just going to kind of, let me just put 200 naira here. And then once I put 200, you can see the charge is 3 naira. Do you get it now? You can see the charge is actually 3 naira. And you can see what I'm going to be getting. Okay, so you can easily use device like POS to send the money. I believe you are getting it. You can use POS to send the money while you are using your phone to generate the funding. So I'm just going to click on, once I'm here, I'm just going to scroll down and click on pay now. So I have just clicked on this pay now. Remember, I'm still on this my app, so you can easily use a POS device to send the money. It is 100% possible. So once you click on pay now, then let me just let's wait. I think we're gonna wait a little while. Just do not be, because we overstayed on the, so the system is actually trying to make sure that we are, as in like, to verify. They just stay on the page, just follow me critically. Just you are going to see what is going to happen. Remember, I want to fund with 200 naira. I want to fund this account with 200. So what I just did is that I put the amount, which is 200, and then click on pay now. So, and then it will take me to another page, which is this particular page. So that is the page where I want you to get right. So you can see here, you can see that I want to make a transfer to this account. This is amount, which is 200 naira. I want to make transfer. So this is the bank, which is Paystack Titan. So most of the phone, even if you have a Nokia Touch, it has this bank because Paystack is licensed by CBN. So you can see the account I have to pay. This account is one time. So anytime you want to make a funding, you must generate a new account, please. Okay. So you can see the time at which this account will expire, almost 30 minutes. Once you didn't pay the money, it will expire. So make sure that you are on this page and then go to your POS machine or any other device you are using, and then go to your, and then select the bank. So I'm just doing it in another device right now. So let me just select, I'm going to select Paystack. I'm going to select Paystack. Then I'm going to put the account number. I'm just doing it. So I'm putting in the account number is 9905529821. So you can see it now. It will tell you it will show you Paystack checkout. That is what you are going to be seeing. Either you are using POS, anything you are using at all. So you click on next. I'm actually on my mobile phone. I'm actually using OPay to make this transfer right now. So I just put in 200, and then I'm going to confirm this. The name of the bank is Paystack Titan, please. So I'm going to just I've just sent the money. You can see it, voila. Immediately you send the money, once you do it correct, the system will automatically dictate it. And then you can see the money has been received automatically. And then it has marked you good. And once you mark it good, allow the page to load to your home page. I believe you're getting it. Very, very important. Very, very important. So we have seen this. You just close this. And then you can see the alert that the system is telling me that my account has been funded. You can see it right away. You can see the alert. Okay. So this alert shows that this account has been funded. So, and if you go and check the balance, you can see the balance is here. You can see it now. So if you also go to history, you will see that the transaction is going to read that you can see the funding that we just did right now. So please, if you want to use Paystack to make funding, you must follow this process. Okay, what is this two process? Use two devices. Use one to generate the checkout system. It's just a dynamic. You are making a transfer. You are not using your card at all in the system. So you can see it now. If you click on it, you can see the transaction. You can see it right away. I can see it, the time at which the funding was done. You can see it, everything is here and it is automated. So please, 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 please make use of two devices, or make use of two phones to do the funding, or make use of one phone and POS machine to do the funding. Both works 100% perfectly. So we have been trying to make sure that we work with this new payment system, which is Paystack, and they are reliable, and they have approved the business as like the platform to work with their own distance. So for those of you that are funding with a lower amount, maybe 2,000, 1,500, 200, 600, 900, please make use of Paystack. Then if you want to make use of you want to fund like 5,000, 10,000, 100,000, 50,000, please make use of the manner funding. The manner funding, the difference between two of them is that the manner funding is you're going to take time for it to, because we have to actually approve it. But this automated funding, it goes automatically, instantly, once you followed the steps which was highlighted on this training video. So make sure you share this video to your loved ones, people that you already refer on the platform, so that you can actually use it to actually fund their CashAlert platform. So we actually understands the what's called that the bank transfer, which has the generated bank transfer, which has an issue on the, please do not send to that again. Make use of this, because this one is 100% efficient. And make sure you join the WhatsApp group. How do you join the WhatsApp group? Click on more here if you are using your mobile device to I say you see more here. So once you are here on this more, all you have to do is to click on where is it right now? Let me show you how to join the WhatsApp group. It's very important, because this is a place where we actually makes all the updates. Let me just check it back. Once you're on the home page, all you have to, as like once you are logged in, you just have to scroll down. I think yes, let me just click on more here. You definitely, if even if you don't see it and on this small on the WhatsApp group, what you have to do is to click on, as in you want to buy like data, just click on data right now. Let me just show you. Once you are here, you see the icon at the left right footer of the platform at like your back end. Okay, so just click on this WhatsApp icon. So once you click on this WhatsApp icon, it will take you to the place where you have to see a lot of places you can contact support. You can see the line to call. You can also do an email. Then you can see WhatsApp support. This particular one is for you just want to contact admin. But this is the WhatsApp group, which is very, very important. So make sure you join this WhatsApp group. It's very, very, very important. So you can receive updates as regards to it, because this particular training video is going live on the WhatsApp group and other things. So you get a first-hand information on the WhatsApp group more than on any other places at all. Please do that, and then let me see you in the next video. Make use of this and then begin to do your normal business with the platform, because right now everything is now, we have two options which we have previously before. Now, in fact, before now we only have one option, which is like the only bank option. But right now we have both the manual and that of the automated bank transfer. So make use of them, and then let's take the business higher. I'm my host, Mr. Shedrach. I'm going to see you in the very next video. Until then, take care.